Then one day at the airport, my first encounter, when I met him, the demeanor, the humility, and I am a whole
Mama wakwaba wofre me adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo 2024 abatua eda ye nim ayeba betui metumi akase ada ne religion abato pa na 2024 yeba betui lewe mbese we de yen kwan na menumi epo. Next year elections no between Northerners and Akans. Nienti America say na ne say NPP for 4th November omokoto aba a omoyi Vice President Dr. Bawumia as omo flag bearer no abeda ne nsem bebre NPP for no say omo amana NDC for nani ewu because Oman Penida da John Dramani Mahama ena ora fifi kwete omo ebe make comment bi abesen ko omo say Vice President Dr. Bawumia a NPP amayoku no no omo efili pity de eman because NPP for ebe use no adampe no enti no NPP for ko yi Vice President Dr. Bawumia as omo flag bearer no abeye nsem bebre NPP for no say ombe winning elections here that year 2024 no more breaking the 8th with Dr. Bawumia possible because Northerners ni na ebeto de amano and afinso ne ma power ye no ebedi nanim na wetimi win elections no aye nsem bebre honorable Sam George ningo pram MP so de nsem bia betudwa o kire say Vice President Dr. Bawumia na nse kamia kwa yesa otai ewura Christopher asori dem dodo ntino oye religion mu prostitute na ebusuanfo ensem we beto odwa no na dewro a host political talk show ewo Movement TV de ensem bia beto dwa a o kire say Vice President Dr. Bawumia ida say oye Muslim oye hwana no obre no ho ase na asofo mienu we Reverend Eastwood Anaba na fenso sofo buadi nyameche omo de ensem bia beto Vice President Dr. Bawumia omo de abetudwa afa Vice President Dr. Bawumia no ho a ekire se omo adi adanse pa na Reverend Eastwood Anabade me sure se nese mo de abetudwa ne bebrate a o kire se Vice President Dr. Bawumia the first time a o hia no o wa ho brasis sonku bi a kire se strange na the way o si approaching no ne kasa no o Vice President ni papa wa bra Vice President Dr. Bawumia call no na sorry dem na ebusuafa wo sensem mu na dewro kire se ensem a asofofo ka Vice President Dr. Bawumia no ho Ghana ha no His Excellency Omampenda da John Dramani Mahama onyemu kotakra anka we the first intend this for enjoy say omo target Vice President Dr. Bawumia say religion mu prostitute no omo form asem enfemfene so na breaking date ni they are breaking it moti ase munti ase and 2024 just a moko hang transformer just a mode eja kotopu because the eba monso no ebusanfo yentie ensem ma Reverend Eastwood Anaba ede etu dwan kakra na yentie ensem a anasa reply ede ro so ede etu aso
as I normally do from Tamale to Accra, go and do whatever I'm doing and then I come back. And I used to hear a name, Dr. Bawumia, and I had never met him before. Then one day at the airport, my first encounter, when I met him, the demeanor, the humility, and I am a holder of bachelor's degree, pharmacy, but when I saw the humility of the doctor, I felt like I should be more humble because the humility of the doctor was just fascinating. One of the things in the world you cannot pretend to have when you don't have is humility, because even the orientation of your nose will give you out. You cannot pretend I'm humble when you are not. Something about you will show it. So I met the humble man. We talked a bit. We got into the...
So what no matter say Sam George. One no. I assess you, Brusabiano, Coco Pedianedi, that's all the cassette Yanua. I told you one of Busia.
I told you one of Busia, Cheba Cabino Usisetre, and Martin Canopay, your ball and a video of a software say, a software is Sudanaba.
Yes.
Or software to say, Buadinya Meche.
Software respecting a papa.
Your ball money, and in some of my comfort, Dr. Bawumia, and I dance somebody in a hobra say, Mean say, Sassofon will be a bit me decide dancing after your mamma. You read about Santaman Pohine, or take the silver stool, and also see a ball, not some more comfort, Dr. Bawumia. Now, Utimu say, or you be a any penny didn't want to say. Me offer Ufia, offer Jeff Kunedu, over my hand. But now, what is saying? Yes.
Haruna
Idris Muntaka.
Mpenifo nyina ye muslimi fo paawo.
So my you message.
Ya kwakwa ye kwai. Ya gigi sika ma. Na dia kwakwa tunsuo. Be dosro obia betima di president.
Ekenu kwa.
I am telling you. Obia betima di president. But we need a leader or a vision, a leader who can think outside the box. What you say? And nunti we are president ya to abanama. Agencies, Greco, and education, all the agencies, you know, obia chief directors, obu omojuma omoye. But why ya to abanama no? And then now they ba something extraordinary. Except say, whoa. Who is leader? And no, and NDC for Lakia from 1992. Let me tell you something. I never could be Lawrence. We are dying. Lawrence, they introduce to get fund. I'm telling you, you can't take away from him. Since then, I exist here, but I'm not going to say. Mention Kufuor, mention Anado. Tell me, John Mahama, you get opportunity to turn where you come from. Still, community of free mono. As a sign by away. Yatia Roland Gambila, LG. Eba, what do you call it? But yeah, Yasimo. Home City. Within 1 hour, I was there myself. Within 1 hour, yeah, Hope City. Over 70 something million.
And yeah, the Chris Brown, we are a man $1 million.
What's that here?
Yeah.
Yet to grow my young Cassafo. Who will be the one among Cassan just what Jimmy, a brand of the son. And member of parliament, MPC, there were parliamentary. One must see one man say at the pa and one make check room up. Yeah, because me and your mamma, I saw from penny full of Krumha. Yenima at the pa could I tell one more Krumha. The Bible kind was it? When you won't know where you're when you want money, won't quite a day. I'm worried that. It's a penny to say chief imam. Now a
Plane got to our destinations and scattered. And over the years, I saw him with his personal work rate. But of course, definitely with the benefit of a DNA from his father, the legendary Bawumia. There is a certain DNA you get in life which gives you acceleration, and another DNA you get, which is massive inertia. So if you are born by these people with negative DNA, you will have to start life, and life will beat you up well until you get common sense to recover. But thank God for that gene of the legendary Bawumia of the northern part of Ghana. That gave a lot of testimony to the world.
John Ramani Mahama and Ura Kwete make comments Vice President Dr. Bawumia NPP Vice President Dr. Bawumia and say come here for prostitutes. Strange. Your friend Adoas. Now for 2024, Abatua Eda
he has grown and come to the place where he is the Vice President of
religion Abatu Pana 2024 Yababatu Lewe Bese.
And blessed country called Ghana. That is where God has brought him to.